because he's Italian. Lamb is his favorite meat.
Hello, fellow chefs. Today, we're going to be brining and then smoking this beautiful New Zealand leg of lamb. I'm going to use maple wood as the smoke. It should come out exquisite. Let's get to it.
Get a good quality lamb. This rub has mint, salt, and pepper, plus salt, molasses, and apple juice for the brine. Now you're going to trim the lamb of all the silver skin and most of the fat. It's okay to leave some on. A basic brine is going to have about 2 liters of water and a handful of salt. To this, I'm adding molasses and a little apple juice at the end. Bring to a boil and let cool completely. Then dunk the lamb into the brine. I had to change containers for a better fit. Place in the fridge for about 18 hours. While the lamb is brining, you can work on any spice rub you want. This time I decided on fresh mint ground together with rock salt and pepper, which formed a paste. After brining, remove the leg, do not pat dry, and apply the rub. Choose your favorite smoker. This one uses wood pellets or chips, and smoke for about 4 hours with an apple juice and vinegar spritz every hour. The smoke temperature should hover around 230 Fahrenheit. Remove the leg and wrap completely in foil with a little butter and bake for another 90 minutes at 250 Fahrenheit. After the bake, let it rest for at least 30 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna, Ozzy, get your nose away from there.
Wow,
Oh my God, look at that. Tender. Oh.
Let's go for a nice juicy bit. Salt level is perfect. The texture is perfect. You can almost not go wrong with it, but this is absolutely divine. I'm just checking, sorry, just checking.
No, just okay. Just to be sure. You can never be too sure. Smoked lamb from Norway or?
Yes, lamb from Norway, yes.
It is?
Yes.
Not New Zealand?
Lambs are in Norway.
That's true. I like salty. This is maybe a little bit too salty for the general population, but for me it was okay. But I'll take another one.
It smells really good. Oh yeah, there's some nice, spicy flavors. Did you cook this with some spices? He did not fuck it up. It's actually really nice. I like it. I'm having a second bite.
Just say it. Don't get me.
Smells really good. It definitely has electrolytes.
That my husband, who you're about to talk to, while he did your lasagna because he's Italian, lamb is his favorite meat.
This is poetry. This is really the right everything.
Here's a cigar for that.
Ooh, well done. Where's my cigar, eh?
Fantastic.